My name is Ranardo Jules. I'm from Nassau, Bahamas. I'm in the soft wash business, venturing into window washing. Well, we've done some soft wash training with soft wash systems. It's been a great experience here at J.Racenstein because it's a different outlook on everything. There's the networking component of it, so it's just interesting to get a different take on the different approaches that soft wash companies provide their service. It was interesting to see that there are other cleaning solutions and supplies that we could implement in our business. So it was a great takeaway.
We did have a problem with the scent of the chemical we was using. Our clients complaining about it. So when we came here and we found out about lemony, which could actually, we could add to our bleaching component without affecting the power or strength of the bleach. That was kind of like a gold mine for us.
And additionally too, we learned about a different cleaning solution for wood surfaces that doesn't utilize bleach, which is good for us. It's good for the client. It's a less harsher chemical. I was completely oblivious to it. I saw the results that many of the people get here using that particular product, and I'm definitely going to be using that for sure. But I would definitely suggest that, well, for one, you do your own independent research on everything. So try to build some familiarity with the industry, certain tools and applications, so you at least have some type of knowledge base. When you come to the class, I would definitely recommend coming to the class because it's hands-on. It's a good networking experience. I mean, it's just like double learning here because we've learned from Doug and his expensive experience, and then you have like 15 or 20 other people that are here, and you get these little gold nuggets. So it's definitely worth the trip to come and experience this class.